Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, that bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie. Sorry, they say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, I think I just put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, I think I just put it in the song. Alright.
I know. But hello. Hi, Bo. Why am I blue? Am I blue? What's going on? Anyway, hi guys. Hello, hi. Welcome back to my channel. I am Nelisiwe Zulu, and if you are new here, hello, hi. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button below. Please do it now while I'm speaking and become part of my family. And if you're a returning subscriber, hello, hi. Thank you for coming back. Bye. I really appreciate your support and it really means a lot to me. Yeah, I know guys, the video has already started, so I could not do an intro on Friday. Today's Sunday, by the way. I could not do the intro on Friday. I came home late, and yeah, yesterday we went out. As you saw, we went to a massage with my new friend, and I could not start the video. I'm so bad. You know, this weekend, né? That's all that I can say. This weekend. So yeah, so I'm here to start and close the video. So before I close the video, we're gonna do an unboxing. We have quite a few. We have, if you have been watching my channel, as if it's been ages. If you have watched my KZN vlog, you know, you recognize this, right? I'm gonna unbox it, and we have Take A Lot, and we have others. So before I start, I have 3 gifts. Yeah, and before I start, my mom bought me a present, right? So they only gave it to me yesterday, right? When they were giving to me last night, I was thinking there's this YouTuber Uto Wazama. She's from KZN, so I watch her. I love her content. She's from KZN, and she was like, she was telling her mother that if she doesn't buy her anything this year on her birthday, she's no longer buying her mother present on the birthday, right? Because she's like, on Mother's Day, I understand you're a mother, then I will buy you anything, like I will buy you present, right? But on my birthday, you're not buying me anything, so Nami, I'm no longer gonna buy you. So she told the mother, last year the mother didn't get her anything, and she was like, okay, fine, mother, this year if you're not buying me anything, I'm not buying you a present, honey. And the mother was like, hi bo. She missed her, and then as the month progressed, she reminded her mother, you're not buying me anything for a present. I'm not gonna buy you a present. Her birthday was early this year, right? And I was laughing like as I was watching her content. So when the mother's birthday approached, Toba told her mother again, and she was like, you haven't bought me anything, and don't expect anything from me on your birthday, because when you did not buy me anything, right? And then Toba was like, the mother was like, she missed her. But then few weeks before the mother's birthday, she bought her like these cute bottles. You know those cute bottles? I will place them here if I can. Those cute Shein bottles that people use for drinking water. She bought her those. And Toba was so happy. Like, she was so happy. She was like, guys, Mama bought me these bottles for my birthday and I love them so much. Please, parents, we need those presents. Yeah, so that's the story. But then today my mom bought me for my birthday, baby. I love her so much. She bought me undies, and then she bought me, is it undies? I guess they go together, the bras and the undies. I know it's TMI, guys, but I have to show what my mom got me. They are matching, except this one. So it's 3-pack and 2 packs of bras. They are matching. So parents, please buy us gifts. I love them so much. Thank you, mommy. I really appreciate you, and I love you a lot. I'll definitely wear them. So we are done with the first lady. Then LOML. my baby, he got me, let me take them out, and yeah, we start. Remember the first one was those sunnies that I was wearing in KZN, that I was wearing on the boat cruise. It was part of this. He got me them, and then he got me this cute duke. I think maybe ufuna uthi ngiyigcokelana like yabo manyakibo ngibe cute ngiyagcokeleza like those traditional dukes, yabo ngigcoke this more than once. I love them. I love it so much. And then he got me this. It's a watch. I have already opened it. It's a watch. It's Hallmark, leave your mark, Hallmark watch. It's so beautiful, guys. I don't know I don't know this focusing thing. Oh, there it is. It's so beautiful. It's Hallmark in a necklace, and then there's this watch. I know I have to get this watch resized, because guys, I have another watch. It's somewhere in the wardrobe. I'm not gonna open because it's a mess. I bought that watch, and they had to remove all these strips, all of them. Like the way am I tiny, or maybe my fingers are tiny. They had to remove all of them, and it still doesn't fit. So I know I have to get them to remove them. Yeah, I will do it when I'm with B, or I will take it, but I will do it when I'm with B. It's just an admin for me. And this cute necklace, I love it so much. It is so cute, guys. My mom is calling me. Let me answer. I'll be back. Now we are back. I had to take the call and I had to leave. It's now in the afternoon. Guys, this weekend is hectic. It's hectic, and I'm just gonna wrap up this video and call it a day or a vlog, because I have to leave again. So I remember we were speaking about the watch from my bay. Yeah, I think I finished talking about the watch, guys. I love it so much. I love it so much. So we're gonna get it resized, and then yeah, I will start wearing it. And then the last one, the one that I'm excited about, is this perfume. It's, guys, it's whatever. I will put it in. Let me open the perfume. It smells nice. Like, I can smell it through the box. It smells nice. So let's now open it. It smells good. So please. Ooh, I think I opened it upside down. Yeah, that's fine. Ooh, guys, it looks so beautiful. It smells nice. It smells amazing. Look at the, guys, so pretty. Inhle. Like, that's the name. I don't know how to do this focusing thing. It's so pretty. Oh my word. It smells so amazing. Like, it smells... Please, I would eat you. It's so pretty and it smells so amazing. I love it. So I'm gonna put it back and I'll take a picture. It looks so cute. Wow. So yeah, now let's put it back. I love it so much. Thank you, babe. Thank you, ROM. Ew. It's so cute, man. I don't even know how to close this now. But anyway, it doesn't matter. It smells so amazing. So we are done with LOM number 1. We are gonna go to LOM number 2, baby. I'm joking. That's my baby. So this particular things, they are from, I'm doing a thumbnail. They are from my another LOM. I wanna get consent first, you know, to mention people's name, to mention their name basically, and yeah, if they're okay with it, then I'm gonna mention them. So, but now they are LOM, right? You know, this hair is irritating me, and I know mangins are so never irritated, but so let me do this. But I didn't take a thumbnail. Anyway, let me take a thumbnail. Let me do that and we will continue. Anyway, guys, let's finish. So, my other LOM, love of my life, the one that we discussed, that we are starting a YouTube channel. He was searching for me and he was like, hey, I'm gonna buy you equipment, all the things that you need for YouTube, I'll buy them, you know. And I'm like, oh, that's so sweet, that's so sweet of you, you don't have to. But again, because Muntu LOM. So I know what are these things, because he sent me money and I bought them. So I love you so much, and I really appreciate you and your presence as well. So we have number one, this is a stand tripod. Now I'm using the hand tripod like I have placed you guys on top of things, and then now I won't need to place you guys on top of these things. I will be using this one, the one that is freestanding, baby. I'm about to give you guys angles. Open, let's open and open. See. Ooh, this thing is what holds the phone, and then it comes in a dusty bag, and this it's our tripod. How do we do it? How do we do it, baby? How do we do it, my love? My love. Orangina. Yo guys, my nephew, or is it niece? English teachers, where are you? Yeah, he's crying. So please bear with me, guys. I need to finish this thing. My mom got him, so you can't tell me that it's this short. Like, it can never happen. What's going on? This thing is too moving. And then Lana said pelele. Yeah. Guys, pelele. Wow. I didn't see the inches. Wow. Should I return it? I'm so bored. Why can't the English? Oh! Okay, I see you now. I see you, my baby. Oh, guys. Guys, it's long. Like, look at this. So you see, it's very long. Anyway, guys, we will pack them together. Like, we will assemble them together probably next week, because I have to leave, and yeah, I need to get ready before I leave. Guys, I'm laughing, but you won't believe. You won't believe. And then this is, I'm thinking about something, man. I'm thinking about something, and it makes me laugh. Actually, it doesn't make me laugh. I'm just laughing because, guys, you're about to hear me clear and crispy. Like, you are about to hear me clear and crisp. You're about to hear me clear and crisp. Nina. Hey, Nina. What am I doing? Hey, Luna. And then we have a mic. We have a mic. I'm so happy. Guys, can you see my smile? I'm so excited. How do I? Can I spill gas, by the way? So I'm looking at this spill gas. Nah, we got a mic, baby. So you're about to hear me clear and crispy. Hey, Luna. Then we have this pin, because I hope it works. I hope so. I hope it works. Then I will insert it on my phone. My baby. My baby. Please tell me you are joking. I think I should try this before I leave, or even if I don't try it, guys, I'll return them that other week, because honestly I won't have time to try and test. But I'm so happy. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. Ah! I am so happy. No one will use this bedroom. We have a big box. Also from Takealot. This one here is a ring light. I had a ring light but it broke. Sorry. Please. Please, baby. What are you saying? This is the tripod. Let's open it. My baby. What are you saying to me? This is a tripod. And this is a selfie ring. I'm sorry about the hair, guys. Namyang irritates. Let's open the ring. Yeah, guys, I'm rushing this. We're gonna assemble them together on Friday. First thing when I arrive at home, we're gonna do them together. So now let's put the ring light back. I'm so happy. I am happy. Let's put everything together. I'm gonna put everything in this big box and throw away all the other boxes. Even this one. Let me look at. Guys, we are doing this content thing. Please. You can't convince me otherwise. We are doing this content thing. We are doing this content thing. You can't convince me otherwise, my love. Oh, this hair, yenzani na or ifuna ngibophe ibhan because nami yang-irritate. Yang-irritate bandla. So I'm gonna put this to here. Let me put everything here. Yeah. So guys, I'm so happy we have equipment. I'm so happy, I'm so excited, and I'm so grateful. Thank you to everyone who brought me gifts. I really appreciate it, and I don't take it lightly, right? So we're gonna leave them here. Let's put it rather, and then my gift. Oh, my perfume and the watch. I will put them back here. Let me put them back. Can I let drama for Can I let drama? I will put them back. And then is it a lower locker or what? Hold rope, guys. Could be a yeah. So now let's talk. Let's recap. Let's recap our weekend. Yesterday we went to La Vie Massage, guys, in Chameleon Village. The ladies, they were amazing. Like, I love that massage place. I will definitely go back. It's by Chameleon Village. If you are in Breds, Hartebees, Pretoria even, like, book yourself, honey. Like, they are the best. They are amazing. They take their time. Bona, after that you will have lunch. Like, there are a lot of restaurants around. You will see there's Madagascar, there's Blue Train, there's Italian. So choose for yourself, right? Yeah, so I enjoyed it. Everything was amazing and wow. And then today, guys, this weekend has been hectic. When I say hectic, I mean it with capital letters. I'm not joking. it has been hectic, but at least I'm just glad it's done. It's done. It's just that I have to leave now. I have to leave. I love my top. I have to leave. Yeah, I have to leave. I'm going back to Pretoria. And then another thing is Vlogtober. Let's talk about Vlogtober. Are we participating in Vlogtober or not? Honestly, I would love to participate in Vlogtober, but unfortunately, guys, like this time of the year, you know it, like this time of the year is very hectic for me. It's very hectic. I would love to, but honestly I won't have time. I would love to, at least even if it was two videos per week, it was something. But we're gonna do it in November. After October we'll be here, then we will do our Vlogtober in November, but I'm not gonna name them Vlogtober. I'll just post 2 videos. I'll try to post 2 videos per week. That's how far I can stretch myself. But for now, this time of the year, you know it, right? So yeah, thank you so much for watching my videos. I see you guys, and I really appreciate Bona. I appreciate your support, guys. I really appreciate your support. Like, one thing about me, we don't take anything lightly in this channel. Like, you know, I really appreciate 31 subscribers. I really appreciate you guys, the viewers. I really appreciate them, you know, and I'm not taking anything light, you know. So thank you guys so much for subscribing, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and then please leave me a rose. This week we are leaving a rose, guys. Please leave a rose, please, a red rose for your girl. Anyway, guys, I will definitely see you next week, but for now, bye.